Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a times a, you can write it as a squared. This here we have 4 raised to power x all squared equals to 100 on this side. This also follows when we have a raised to power n raised to power n, same thing as a raised to power mn. This power multiplies, we have 4 raised to power 2x equals to 100 from here. The next step, here, take the log on both sides. We have log 4 raised to power 2x equals to log 100 from here. The next step, applying the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. This here we have 2x log 4 equals to log 100 on this side. That is, next step here, divide both sides by log 4. Divide this side by log 4. Also, divide this side by log 4. That is, here, log 4 cancelled each other. We have 2x equals to log 100 over log 4. The next step here, we can write 100 as 4 times 25. What we have here becomes 2x equals to log 4 times 25 over log 4. That is, from here, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, it's same thing as log a plus log b. Then what we have here becomes 2x equals to log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. Then here we separate this into two fractions and we have 2x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. That is, next step here, we have log 4 cancelled each other. This one left here, which implies 2x equals to 1 plus log 25 over log 4. Then, next step here, 25 can be expressed as 5 times 5, which can be written as 5 square. And also, 4 can be expressed as 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 square. This here, what we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 squared over log 2 squared. We apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and also here, and we have 2x equals to 1 plus 2 log 5 over 2 log 2. And from here, 2 cancelled each other. This becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 2. The next step, we apply change of base here. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. This here we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 base 2. Then here we divide both side by 2. That is, divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. Here 2 cancelled each other. We have x equals to 1 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. That is, here what we have becomes 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 times also 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. Then here we have same base multiplying when we have a raised to power n times a raised to power also same power n. This same thing as a raised to power n plus m, which is 2m. This here we can raise as 4 raised to power 2 times 1 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. That is, from here we have this power multiplying 2 cancelled each other here. We have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. Then you apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 4 raised to power 1 times 4 raised to power log 5 base 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. That is 4 raised to power 1 here, same thing as 4 then times here. 4 can be written as 2 square, which is raised to power log 5 is 2 is equals to 100 from here. At this here we have 4 times 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. That is, here we reverse this 2 from power law. We have 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 square, which is 25 base 2 is it equals to 100 on this side. Then this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 4 times 25 is it equals to 100 on this side. That is, here 4 times 25 that's 100, which is equals to 100 from here. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 1 plus log 5 is 2 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos. Turn on the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. Also join our membership package. And see you next class and bye for now.